have a great opportunity, especially if the sky's clear. Unfortunately, we do have an area of low pressure moving into the central half of the state. It will be moving across southeast Texas. But one of the neat things about this meteor shower is that it peaks late Thursday night into Friday morning. So those of you out and about around midnight, if you look up to the sky and it's rather clear, you're around dark sky, you may be able to capture that 100 to 120 meters per hour, and you won't need any special gear to see it. You just need to bundle up because the forecast is calling for some much colder air moving into the area, and there is going to be enough wind that it may blow out some of those clouds out of your viewing area. But the opportunity again to see that is going to be kind of a toss-up depending on where you are. So remember, Thursday night into Friday, right around midnight, the best time to catch those meteors. Right now, though, we're seeing dark sky over downtown and dealing with a lot of clouds today. A 20% chance of rain showers as we get into the evening, and then overnight, we really start to ramp up those rain chances. You can see that with our hour-by-hour forecast. Temperatures are still mild in the mid-60s right now in Galveston. It's that south-southeasterly breeze drawing in more warmth as well as more moisture. We're not seeing a whole lot of action right now on live mega Doppler radar. Over the last 3 hours, you can see our loop indicating a few spotty rain showers that hit southwestern coastal communities, but for the most part, it's been relatively quiet. But that's going to change as one system continues to move through. We've got a much colder, stronger system diving toward the panhandle overnight tonight into tomorrow. So for tomorrow, ahead of that system, temperatures are going to be on the mild side, and the Gulf winds will continue to gather lots of moisture in place. Those chances for rain are going to increase after midnight as those showers start to kind of congregate here across southeast Texas. Some of the heaviest of the rain is going to be east of I-45, so rainfall totals will be nothing like what we saw last week with those flooding rains. Between a half an inch to an inch, isolated amounts up to 2 inches. But notice this little swirl here with our wind component. That's the stronger area of low pressure that's going to be diving down, sending some much colder air in our area, maybe even some cold rain across southeast Texas. But all the frozen stuff seems to stay well up to the north, but something that will continue to monitor. The bigger story, the more certainty to this forecast will be the strong winds, gusting closer to 40 miles per hour. Looks like the strongest of those winds will be peaking between 2 o'clock on Thursday, continuing through 3 o'clock on Friday afternoon. Sustained winds between 20 to 30 miles per hour. So some active weather for us Thursday and Friday. Once we get into the weekend, that weather pattern calms down. We're talking cold temperatures starting off Saturday and Sunday morning in the low 40s, and then warming up in the mid to upper 60s. Nice little break here. Dry sky Monday, Tuesday. Another chance for some rain by the middle of next week.